Hello students, in the previous video I discussed with you about preparation of hydrogen chloride and also the properties of hydrogen chloride. In this video I am going to discuss about how we can prepare hydrochloric acid. So keep watching. Preparation of hydrochloric acid. How we can prepare it? Hydrochloric acid is prepared very simply by dissolving hydrogen chloride in water, because an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride is known as hydrochloric acid. Okay. Now, in this, while dissolving this, there is something important to note, that is called back suction. So what is back suction and why should it be prevented? This is something that we should understand before we start preparing. Okay. See, a delivery tube comes inside and here is a trough of water. The delivery tube is dipped inside. Hydrogen chloride gas is coming from the round bottom flask where it is prepared. As it is coming down, what happens? As we know, HCl or hydrogen chloride is highly soluble. So what happens? Due to rapid dissolution of hydrogen chloride in water, what happens? A vacuum gets created inside the delivery tube. What happens? Now water begins to rise into the delivery tube. Okay. This is what is called back suction. The water is rising in. Now this is dangerous. Why is it dangerous? Because the water can go back into the flask, the round bottom flask where the hydrogen chloride gas is prepared, where you have concentrated sulfuric acid and you are heating it to 200 degrees Celsius. What happens? Hot flask, concentrated acid, water falls in. What will happen? It will blast or it will crack. It is a very disastrous result. That should not happen. So to prevent that, what we do, we must stop the water rising inside. How we can do? So you understood why it should be prevented. Now how to prevent back suction, we will discuss now. We should dissolve hydrogen chloride. We should get hydrochloric acid. At the same time, it should not rise into the delivery tube. So we will modify the apparatus, the tip of the delivery tube. A modification is done here. How to prevent back suction? What we do here, we have a special inverted funnel arrangement. What is this arrangement? You see here, the tip of the delivery tube is fitted with a funnel of wide mouth. Two things are important here. Number one, the tip of the delivery tube is fitted with what? With a funnel of wide mouth. Yes, that is important, wide mouth. Okay. So funnel of wide mouth is fitted. Second thing, what is to be done is, the mouth of the funnel is kept just touching the surface of water. Okay. So what is done here? The first thing is to fit a funnel of wide mouth to the tip of the delivery tube. Second thing is to see that the mouth of the funnel is kept just touching the surface of water. So in this arrangement, what happens? Due to rapid dissolution, the water will rise inside the funnel. It will go in. Okay. Now what happened? Because the funnel has a wide mouth, large amount of water gets sucked in. Okay. When large amount of water is getting sucked in, what happens? The level of water in the trough will come down. Now we have kept it just touching the surface of water. So what will happen? The level of water comes down, so air will come in. You see, air gap is created. Air comes in. When air comes in, what happens? The water that has gone inside will fall back. Okay. Again, it will be sucked in. Air gap comes, it will fall back. So it will rise, go into the funnel, to certain extent into the funnel, then again fall back. This will continue, so you can continuously dissolve hydrogen chloride gas in water and produce hydrochloric acid, but the solution will never be able to reach the delivery tube, so back suction is prevented. Okay. Next thing to note is the highest concentration obtained that is possible is 68%. Why? Because it forms a constant boiling mixture at this temperature. What is constant boiling mixture? A mixture which gives out vapors in the same composition as in liquid. Means when the liquid is boiled, the vapors come out, the vapors will also have the same composition, so concentration will not increase. In other words, distillation. What is distillation? Heating a liquid to vapor and condensing the vapor. In the vapor, a certain liquid has a higher concentration, the other one has lower concentration. Then you can separate, okay? But here distillation does not help us. Does not help to increase the concentration. Increase the concentration of the acid, Cl acid, above 68%. So how to increase the concentration further? What to do is you can use corn sulfuric acid. Doing a distillation in the presence of corn H2SO4 can help increase the concentration. Okay, concentration further. Okay, because corn sulfuric acid will absorb the water, so the water percentage of water in the vapor will decrease, the acid concentration increases, so this will help you increase the concentration. So thus you can prepare very highly concentrated hydrochloric acid. So students, I hope you understood how we can prepare hydrochloric acid in the laboratory. Now you can write your comments and also subscribe the channel and like it. In the next video, I will be discussing about the properties of hydrochloric acid. Thank you.